Are you looking to upgrade your lifestyle in a brand new home, in a brand new community? Today, we're exploring Laurel Run by the builder D.R. Horton in Westampton, New Jersey. Convenient to I-95, the New Jersey Turnpike, Route 130, and only 20 minutes to Philadelphia, Laurel Run is perfect for commuters. These gorgeous new townhomes feature 1,500 square feet of living space, including 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 1-car garage. On the main level of the Del Mar, you'll find an eat-in kitchen with an island and a pantry opening up to the dining and living rooms. On the upper level, 3 bedrooms, a full hall bath, convenient upstairs laundry, and the owner's suite with a full bath, double vanity, and large walk-in closet. Choose upgrades such as quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and cabinetry styles to make the Del Mar your own. Smart home features allow you full control through a single application, whether home or away. Residents enjoy shopping at nearby Town Crossing Shopping Center, connecting with nature at Rancocas State Park, and the added value of being situated within the Rancocas Valley School District. Now, I do not represent the builder, D.R. Horton. They have agents on site who represent them and can help you. But remember, they represent the builder. If you want a licensed professional representing your best interests, let's create a game plan and trade in your old home for the brand new home that you deserve. I'm Dawn D'Amico. If you are searching for a partner and advocate to provide you with the best experience, just call, text, email, or DM me today.